So question is 96 stator slots, 6 poles, and coil span is 1 to 12 here. So here what I need to do here, what I need to do, I need to find out pitch factor. I need to find pitch factor. I need to find pitch factor. So what first I'll try to find out pole pitch. First thing is find pole pitch. Pole pitch equal to slots per pole. That is equal to 96 by 6. 16. Okay. Yeah, it is 16. Okay. That means what does it mean here? You can also write. That means under each pole, how many slots are there here? 16 slots exist, are present, whatever you said. Under each pole, 16 slots exist. Under each pole, 16 slots exist, are present here. So you have to draw, even in the exam also, you have to draw this diagram. Okay. So here, try to draw 6. You can approximate here. Well, let's say it is North Pole, South Pole, North Pole, South Pole, North Pole, South Pole. For our understanding, we'll try to only majorly concentrate on the first 2 poles. Okay. So how many slots we have to represent in each pole? 16 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is 1, this is 16. Okay. Next, another next pole also, they repeat the same here. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So let's assume that this is 32 here and repeat same here. Just for your understanding, I'm writing here 33 to 48 and so on. Okay. Now for first, what I have to do here, first I have to represent for full pitch winding. Okay. Before proceeding to the short pitch winding, I have to consider for the full pitch winding. So for full pitch winding here, what I am doing here, for full pitch winding, coil span is equal to, what is the formula? Pole pitch, which is equal to 180 degrees electrical. What is the pole pitch here? We got 16. Okay, we got 16. So that means if I start at if one coil side is placed under first slots, okay, then other coil sides must be placed under which slots? So that is 1 to 17. 1 plus, that is 1 plus 16. 1 plus pole pitch. Don't directly write in 16 or pole pitch value. We are placing it first. Okay. Then 1 plus 16. Okay. That is equal to the other coil side here. Okay. I am taking the difference between these two here. Then the resultant should be 16. Okay. One coil side is 1. The one that is other coil should be 1 plus 16. So that is 1 plus 16. This will give us, and I can extend here. So this is the actually full pitch. Okay. This is actually full pitch winding. Okay. This is actually the full pitch winding, and I need to even calculate one more thing. This coil span, this slot angle. What is slot angle? 180 by S by P. That is 180 by, what is the S by P here? 16. So answer is 15 degrees again. What is the answer? Can you just tell me? 11.25. Is it? Can I confirm this answer?
Yes.
11.225. Okay, thank you. So answer is 11.25 degrees. Okay, 11.25 degrees. Okay, 11.25 degrees. So slot angle is 11.25 degrees. Even if I considered here, it is 17th slot here. Now here 16 into 11.25. Again you will get same answer, 180 degrees electrical. Is this full pitch or winding or not? Now here in the question, what is given here in the question? In the question here, sorry, okay, yeah. In the question it is given that coil span is 1 to 12. They will just specify only the coil span. In the question the coil span is given as 1 to 12. That means I have to specify separately short pitch winding. Then the question I have to specify separately short pitch winding. And for the short pitch winding, what is the coil span? In the question given 1 to 12. So what is 1 to 12, that is equal to 12 minus 1, that is equal to 11 slots. Okay, that is equal to 11 slots. So I am using different colors so that it is easy for you to understand. From 1 I am connecting it to somewhere 12th one. This, let's assume that this is I am making it as 12th one. Okay, I am making this as 12th one, so I am connecting it 12 slots. Okay, I am connecting it 12 slot. Now what are the red one which I am representing here? This one, this will be short pitched winding. This will be short pitched winding, and here this length, okay, here, okay, this length, okay, this length is beta and this length is alpha, okay, and this length is, okay, this length is alpha. What is alpha here? How much angle it is reduced? That is alpha. How much angle it is reduced? That is alpha here. So here I need to find out alpha. What is my ultimate final interest? I am more worried about finding alpha here. For that reason I'm doing this remaining thing and trying to find out the relation. So here we already know, we know slot angle equal to 11.25 degrees. Now here, what is the coil span here? 1 to 12, that is equal to 12 minus 1 equal to 11 slots. So beta coil span equal to 11.25 into, it's not 11.25 into 11. Approximately what is the answer? 123.75. It's always better to write it as electrical degrees. 123.75. 123.75. Okay. So this is the coil span, and we already know the relation. Alpha plus beta equal to 180. Okay. And we got this beta as 123 point. Can I able to rewrite the what is alpha here? Short pitch angle. Short pitch angle equal to 180 minus beta. So 180 minus 123.75 equal to 56.25. This is alpha. I hope what are the values that you have given, accordingly I am just substituting and I am finalizing these things. Okay. So, and ultimately once we calculated everything, so this is the this one is full pitch winding where the slots are 1 to 16, 1 to 17, and with the short pitch winding we are reducing the winding to 1 to 12, and where the coil span is reduced to 11, and previously it was the coil span, full pitch winding coil span is 16. So how much angle I am reducing here? I am reducing from 16 to 11. I am reducing 5 slots. I am reducing 5 slots. 5 into 11.25 also you will get the same answer. Okay. 5 into 11.25 also. So finally, what is short pitch? What is pitch factor? Pitch factor to cos alpha by 2 here. Cos of 56.25 by 2 here. That is equal to cos of 23.125. Answer is 0.81. That's okay. That's okay. You can take up to 2 readings. Okay, 2 decimal point. After point, you can take up to 2 points. 0.88. Okay, 1. Okay. So this is how the pitch factor is. That means with the full pitch winding, if I keep the, what is the conclusion here? With coil span, conclusion I am writing here, with coil span 1 to 17, Kp value will be 1. Why? Because full pitched. Okay, and once Kp is 1 here, EMF will also 1. Okay, with coil span 1 to 12, that is equal to short pitched, Kp value is 0.88. This is short pitched winding, and E phase also reduces by 0.88 times here. Okay, 0.88 times. Okay, this is how